Greetings to everyone, this is your host Ash Khan and you are watching Consumer Pakistan News Channel. In today's bulletin,
Inauguration of the Special Technology Zones Authority. At a ceremony in Islamabad, Prime Minister Imran Khan officially inaugurated the Special Technology Zones Authority. Addressing the ceremony, PM Imran said that the establishment of STZA aims at giving incentives to the IT sector to boost their growth. He said that it will provide vast job opportunities to the youth and enhance IT-related exports. The Prime Minister said that the expatriate Pakistanis, including those in the United States, can benefit from the incentives being offered to the IT companies. He expressed confidence that the establishment of technology zones in the country will also help attract foreign investment. Pakistan had failed to give incentives to the IT sector. Even during the pandemic, the companies that gained were from the IT sector, so we have been left behind. All restrictions on Pakistani visa removed by Bangladesh. On Friday, Imran Ahmad Siddiqui, Pakistan High Commissioner to Bangladesh, called on the Bangladeshi State Minister for Foreign Affairs, Shahryar Alam. The two sides discussed issues of mutual interest and agreed to work further for promotion of bilateral relations. The High Commissioner handed over a signed copy of the tripartite agreement of 1974 to the State Minister, which had addressed all the outstanding issues between the two countries. The High Commissioner said that the agreement should serve as a foundation for further strengthening of the existing relations. The High Commissioner further underlined that in order to establish productive commercial relations, there was a need to address all non-trade barriers and efforts need to be made to facilitate frequent interaction between the business sectors of the two countries. In this connection, the High Commissioner further informed the Minister that Pakistan had already removed all restrictions on Pakistani visa for Bangladeshi citizens. The two sides agreed to intensify bilateral contacts at all levels. Hazir is here to help you. Good news for the people in Islamabad. If you are stressed to find the right person who can do your home maintenance expertly at reasonable prices, well, look no further. Hazir is at your service to provide end-to-end construction and maintenance services from experts, offering free requirement understanding and professional counseling, establishing easy-to-understand and logical contracts which ensure you about your right choice. One usual source of homeowners' stress is home maintenance. Maintaining a house can be a stressful task, especially for first-time homeowners. Call Hazir for every maintenance tasks and repairs for your home. Hazir provides you home services which includes pest control services, disinfection services, handyman services, cleaning services and much more. Hazir is bringing all these services to the people of Islamabad which can be availed in reasonable prices with skilled professionals ready to help you. Hazir is just one call away. Shell and KE signed MOU. Shell Pakistan Limited and KE Electric Limited have signed a memorandum of understanding to jointly develop the first 3 electric vehicle charging stations across Karachi and its connecting highways. Playing an active part in the government's aim to promote the use of electric vehicles, the locations selected for installing 50 kWh rapid chargers are the Shell Defense Filling Station on Khayabane-Bahriya, Askari Filling Station at Gulshan Town and Mardan Filling Station at Garab Town. Over the next 3 to 5 years, Shell and KE will explore the opportunity of additional sites and strategically expand the EV charging network, while SPL will engage in the deployment of charging station equipment, site preparation, installation and manage its operations. KE will ensure grid enhancement. Heaps of garbage and waste concerning side body. Deep concern has been expressed by Abdul Hadi, president of Site Association of Industry, over heaps of garbage and waste everywhere in Site area Karachi, the oldest and largest industrial zone of Pakistan. He said that in the absence of an effective system to lift garbage and waste from the area, Site industrial area is giving the look of a big dump yard and has demanded to immediately lift garbage and waste, particularly from the Koilakata dumping point, which is hindering the smooth flow of import and export cargo in the area, mentioning that heaps of garbage are adding to the woes of industrialists of Site area. A letter has been sent to the Managing Director of Sindh Solid Waste Management Board by President Site giving proposal to clean the area, mentioning in particular the Koilakata dumping point in Site, which has now blocked the road, making it extremely difficult to pass by it besides hindering flow of traffic. Abdul Hadi urged the concerned government departments to play their role in this regard and help in cleaning Site area so that movement of import and export cargo continues unhindered.
Thank you for watching Consumer Pakistan News Channel. This is I, Ash Khan. See you in the next bulletin. Until then, take care and goodbye.